guys, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and I am bringing to you the cutest little Christmas craft. This is a miniature stocking cap that is made from yarn and a toilet paper roll. So I'm going to show you that real quickly. I got this idea actually from the website called Left on Peninsula Road. And it is really a cute little ornament. You could use it for a garland. You could also use it for a gift tag or bow on your present. So I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little stocking cap. So first, the really simple things that you would need. And I have two sizes here, which are actually from the same size. It just depends on the type and size of the yarn that you use. And so if you're using like regular skeined yarn, then this one is going to be your smaller version. It's going to turn out this way. If you use the thicker yarn, then your little stocking cap is going to end up being a little bit bigger, just because of the yarn that you're using. You will need a toilet paper roll. And what I did was I marked roughly 3/4 of an inch for my base. So this is the size of your base. You could make it a little, you could make it a little bit smaller, but about 3/4 of an inch is a good size for your little stocking cap. And then if you're using the regular size yarn, then I cut 41 of the 10-inch lengths of yarn. If you're using this larger yarn, then you can use about 15 of these 10-inch pieces. So it's all up to you on what you have. I would just use scraps if you have it at your house. And these just really make adorable little ornaments. Then you'll need some pom-poms, depending on the size of your little miniature stocking cap. I used this size here. You can see the differences. The larger size could have gone on this hat, but I liked the way the little one looked anyway. And then you just need some glue, some type of adhesive. I used hot glue. And then if you do want to make a hanger, you can just use your yarn to do that, or you can use thread or whatever you would like. Okay, so let me show you how you get started. Okay, so it's a very, very simple craft, and really what you can do is, this is a really good time while you're watching TV or something like that. So fold your 10-inch length yarn in half. You're gonna do a lark's head knot around your toilet paper roll. So basically you just put your loop through, as you can see, and then you pull your threads up and through the loop, and then you just squeeze it together. And you're going to do this all along your whole entire toilet paper roll. Okay, so you can see what it starts to take shape like this. And you just continue all the way around. Okay, so again, I'm just going to show you as I'm getting closer to the end. You just pull that loop through, take your ends, make sure it's pretty even, because you'll appreciate that later, and then just pull it tight, and then make sure all your ends are going to the same direction. So I'll do it once more for you. Pull it together, put your loop through your toilet paper roll, take your ends, push them through that loop, and pull it tightly. So you can see we're getting almost done here. Okay, so once you have all of your hat covered, your little stocking cap, you want to pull these extra long pieces tight. So all your yarn needs to be pulled tightly. It's really not hard, but you just want to make sure that you don't have a lot of extra of your yarn loose, because you want to make sure that you get a good stocking cap look. So you're going to take your another 10-inch piece and you're going to wrap it around the ends, and you're going to tie a knot tightly. So we're going to tie a knot really tightly, and then once you have that, you're going to take this end and stuff it through the top like this. And then you can see your little stocking cap has taken shape. Now, if you have any loose strings like these are from the bottom, and you need to get those stuffed back in there. But that is just going to happen. So then you have your little stocking cap. Just manipulate it a little bit. It's adorable, I have to say. These turn out the cutest ever. Now, to give it that final look, you're just going to glue a little top pom-pom to this little top here, this little peak. And then you also, if you want a hanger, you could put it underneath the pom-pom when you glue it. So I'm just gonna, I don't have my glue gun on, so I'm just gonna put a little glue here on it and glue it on top. And then you have your little stocking cap. And it just turns out so cute. And then underneath, you just have, it's just all in there. You can't really tell. It doesn't fall out or anything. It's just really, really cute. So I just wanted to show this craft to you. It's very, very simple, very easy to make. And it's a great one to do while you're sitting watching TV or something. And it just adds a lot of festivity to the season. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this craft. Remember, I will link it below, but it is from leftonpeninsularoad.com. And thank you for watching. Also, I'd like to know if you would try this out and what colors of yarn you would use. Again, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I appreciate all my subscribers. I'm curious if you would make these. They're so cute. Anyway, I wish you all the best, and until the next video, thanks for watching.